Welcome to Woodland Park at Nocatee, an intimate neighborhood where modern townhome living meets everyday convenience in one of Northeast Florida's most sought-after communities. Here, Providence Homes offers thoughtfully designed townhomes ranging from 1,400 to 1,800 square feet, featuring 3 to 4 bedrooms and 1 or 2 car garages. Comprised of just 65 home sites, Woodland Park creates an idyllic, close-knit community feel that residents cherish. Each home showcases open-concept living areas, flexible layouts, and elegant interiors flooded with natural light. The maintenance-free exteriors provide effortless upkeep, giving you more time to enjoy what matters most. Many residences offer peaceful views overlooking preserved woods and natural areas that won't be developed, all designed for bringing the beauty of nature right to your doorstep. The neighborhood's thoughtful layout includes family-friendly cul-de-sacs, perfect for children to play safely and allowing neighbors to connect. Located on the west side of Nocatee, Woodland Park puts homeowners within walking and biking distance of Valley Ridge Academy via a dedicated pathway. Residents enjoy the community's best amenities. The resort-style pools, fitness facilities, hiking trails, and family activities throughout the year create endless opportunities for recreation, relaxation, and building lasting relationships. Conveniently positioned on Palm Valley Road, Woodland Park offers easy access to US 1 and I-95, putting you just minutes away from beautiful beaches and the area's premier dining, shopping, and cultural destinations. Whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizing, or looking for lock-and-leave flexibility, Woodland Park delivers a connected lifestyle without compromise, where modern design meets natural beauty and a peaceful place to enjoy life's precious moments. Woodland Park at Nocatee. Welcome home.